Story 7. I remember being in my childhood pious, rising in the night, addicted to devotion and abstinence. One night, I was sitting with my father, remaining awake and holding the beloved Quran in my lap, whilst the people around us were asleep. I said, "Not one of these persons lifts up his head or makes a genuflection. They are as fast asleep as if they were dead." He replied, "Darling of thy father, would that thou wert also asleep, rather than disparaging people." And then's when you lower your voice to like a decibel. So that could be the thing. You could have been saying it like, "Oh, well, here's a room full of people listening," and that sort of thing. The pretender sees no one but himself, because he has the veil of conceit in front. If he were endowed with a God-discerning eye, he would see that no one is weaker than himself.